everybody, Demonic Legs 621 here. You can call me Alex. Today we are going to learn the loneliness rhyme. Jolly dog. First, jolly stick figure. Man, no arms. He's being chased by bees. Jumps in a river. He dies. He goes to heaven. And cries big tears. There you have it. That is your dog. And this is one of my daily vlogs. But I've done 2 today. And my uploading was messed up. So if you've subscribed and watching, like, hey, why is it this video, why does he upload anything? Why? It's because my phone's being stupid. Won't really be able to upload until I'm back in South Carolina properly. Or I might have to like reset my phone. But I'm going to try to do anything I can to upload the videos. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Down, 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 down.